Welcome to Sairam Triple YouTube channel. Let us discuss smart grid education. Right. So, education is the power for students. So, being eighth semester students, uh, you should concentrate on the present updated concepts, updated education areas or whatever. So, smart grid is the present topic or present research area or present research education in the modernized world, right? So the research education or smart grid education, creating the professional development curriculum is a vital component for the future power industry. See, if you are not implementing smart grid or if you are not implementing anything in the power system, if you are not updating, what is the use? No use, right? So same thing we have to generate, and then same thing it will be transmitting, I mean transferring from the power plant to the consumer side. Same loss will be there. So smart grid is for to increasing the efficiency of the power system and to reducing the losses and to reducing the like other unwanted unwanted problems, right? So that's why we have to update or upgrade smart grid into the power system, right, for future for industries. Smart grid fundamentals include definitions, architecture, matrix, and performance requirement discussion, development, and analytical decision support tools as well as RVR. So it involves not only connecting two wires or a power supply from the generating station to consumer side. It involves so many automatic or intelligent power monitoring or power supply system monitoring. So some supporting tools are, so there also we are going to study. And grid design will be based across boundaries of knowledge and communication theory, optimization control, social and environmental constraints, and dynamic optimization technique. So optimization technicians, we are reducing the losses and then increasing the efficiency of the power system components, and also increasing the overall operation, and easy to access the this one power supply. And so the knowledge we are improving and we are updating, right? So see, as you can see the picture, there is a idea, I mean, wow, www. So if you are upgrading, definitely it will be increasing graph like this. If you are not upgrading, so it will be like straight line, or it will be like this, right? So it is reducing if you are not upgrading, right? So everything must be there. This picture refers to, so smart grid education, right? Continuation. Smart grid education desired elements of the curriculum have been identified. Facilitate the development of the smart grid includes a direct digital control. See, the smart grid is a digital control. Okay, digital. It's not like a. If suppose if you are calling to somebody, so he can solve the problem, and then again he recall. I mean again he was calling, and then again he was giving information to you. That's a 10 years back, 20 years back used to do. If suppose something happened in the transmission lines, so what we need to have a procedure. I mean 10 years, 20 years back, so somebody will saw that this one transmission lines broken or some faults. So he has to call to office, I mean government, I mean substations. So then after that, the substation people used to call linemen will come to the particular place, and then again he has to repair, and again he has to call their team, and then that's a lengthy process, long process. There is no stability, and it will take around 2 to 3 days, right? Around 2 3 days they used to take. So now at present there is everything is digital. If suppose something fault occurs, something is happening in the power system, so automatically that will manage, I mean that will monitor, and then that will resolve the problem within half an hour or within certain interval of time. Okay. And roles of the system operators. So smart grid education involves roles of system operators: power system dynamics and stability, so ability to stable the system. And power system dynamics, if suppose uh, it's a moving process and it's a continuous process, right? So if the system is stop, I mean like static, what is the what is that meaning? It's a constant, right? So dynamic in the sense we have to move, I mean we have to so it should not be stand constant, right? You have to walk, right? That's why electric power quality and commitment signal analysis. So smart grid education involves communicate concomitant signal analysis, electrical power quality in the sense voltage quality, current quality, and reactive power management, power active power management will be there. And transmission distribution hardware and migration to middleware. So education, smart education involves transmission distribution hardware and migration middlewares, right? So smart grid education, finally, new concepts in a power system protection, environmental and policy issues. So uh, in this new concepts, we need to involve power system protection. Basically, if suppose a fault occurs in the power system, what happens? Circuit breaker will trip off, and then and relay will send the signal, and then CT will measure, and that's a one process will be there. But the new concept in power system protection, so this one is automatic, software based, and automatically it will be self healing. And if suppose fault occurs, automatically it will manage that system, and then able to stable the system. I mean, continuously power supply they are giving. I mean, it will be coming from the grids or whatever. And environmental and policy issues. So many policy issues will be there in the according to Electricity Act, and environmental issues, reliability and risk assessment. In the smart grid education, we have a reliability and risk assessment, economic analysis, energy markets, and the planning. So we have several areas in the smart grid education. Energy markets will be there, economic analysis will be there, and planning, how to plan this smart grid, right? So let's see next topic, smart grid education continuation, right? 1 minute. Okay. um, so see here, planning will be there in this ninth point. So, smart in the sense planning and upgrading, and improving and extending, and finally analyzing. So that's why it's called as a smart grid analysis, or smart grid power management, power analysis, right?